Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Anima back again. Who doesn't love a good mecha? And how can we get these crisp lines and surfaces when all Blender gives us are spheres and cubes? That is where Booleans comes in. So let's get to Blender right now. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, and we're on Blender 4.2, so we have to go to Extensions. If you're on 4.1 or lower, you'll go to Add-ons. Here, we're looking for Bool Tool. We'll download it, enable it, and now we're ready to go. You don't actually need the Bool tool to work with Booleans, but it's going to give you access to the shortcuts. And our shortcuts are going to tell you everything you need to know about Booleans, which you can see on the screen right now. Control plus joins two objects called a union. Control negative will cut into an object known as a difference, and control asterisk is going to do an intersect. One last tip that I'll give you guys, working with weird shapes that have curvature, it will help you more if you're able to line up the edges and the vertexes. Later on, this will greatly help you when you're cleaning up the geometry. If you can't line it up, just try to add more subdivisions. But guys, if you're really set on this type of work, box cutter is going to be the best option for you, because box cutter will allow you to significantly work faster and with more options. It does come with a $20 price tag, and you have to spend a lot of time to really learn how to work it. And that's it for today, guys. Catch me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. I'll see you there.